Hi again, Primary One friends. I am about to show you a very simple experiment using food coloring. I have some lettuce leaves, or you could also use cabbage leaves or flowers. And we're gonna be doing an experiment on to show how the plants absorb water and nutrients through their stems and into their leaves. So I am going to use some pink food coloring, and I'm going to put some drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops. And I'm going to use some blue food coloring in the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it went a little bit more than 5, but that's okay. And I think this is orange or orange pink, I think. But let's try. 1, 2, 3. It seems red. Yeah, that's red. Put a little more. Okay. I have green, but I'm not going to use green. Then I'm going to pour some water in here. And I'm going to pour some in here. Oh, some nice colors. And pour some in here. I'll just pour a little bit more here. Okay, I think that's good. And then we're going to put our leaves or your flowers in the water. And we're going to leave them for a while and you guys can be able to watch them as they absorb the water and the nutrient into the leaves. So I am going to put these in my kitchen, and I am going to be watching them as the color changes, as they absorb that nutrients and water. So I would like for you to try this at home, and then watch it as it changes color and take some pictures. And if you do it, let me see what they look like. Okay? So this is really a quite simple experiment for you to do at home. Okay? Like I said, you can use cabbage leaves. This is lettuce leaves. And you can also use flowers. And you can watch them every day as they absorb that water and nutrients in the leaves. And let me get some pictures and see, okay? Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing the pictures. Bye, guys.